Hi, Prince. Hi, hello. Good evening.
Hey guys.
Hello. Yeah. Hi everyone.
Hi. Yeah, Ali and Prince, you can start with your questions.
Okay. Yeah. So Satish, I'm working on Azure DevOps right now in my current project. So I have a question. Let me tell you the scenario what wanted to work on. So there is a scenario like my application is running on some server and the day before yesterday it got crashed due to some issue. Okay.
Okay.
So when my whole application runs under the JDK. Okay.
Okay.
So the task manager, when I checked that one in the logs, so I got that the consumption of CPU utilization is more than 95% by the particular service. I mean, by the particular JDK. Okay.
Okay.
So that it got crashed. So I was thinking to automate this one. What I thought related to this
Mm-hmm.
is I wanted to do like write a script for like using get service. I will see. I will filter the service which is taking more than 80% of CPU utilization. Okay. And once it is, we will get that that services that will send us some mail. Okay. Like
Okay.
this service is taking more than utilizing more than 80% of CPU or something like that. Okay. After
Okay.
this is the value 80%. After that I will be getting the mail. And
Okay.
once I will get the mail, I will get to know, there is something problem which is going on behind the server, and I will visit that server and try to resolve the issue before crashing the uh, particular application. So
Understood. Yeah.
how can I will do that? Like I know, how I can filter the particular service which is taking more than 80%, but how I can do the whole process from beginning to end?
Okay. So since you're planning to do this as a project, right? We will take this as a one-on-one. Okay. So that you can use it, and then we can do this as a project. And as of now, could you see my screen?
Yes,
Are you able to see my screen?
yes.
All right. So this is what I understand. So we are running some application and JDK is running. And when you see the log, it is more than 95% JDK is. And then you're saying get service, right? Do you mean get process or get service?
Yeah, I'm not sure related to get service. From get service or get process, we will
Okay.
get the JDK.
So basically, yeah. So what this is how you will need to approach. Okay, and give a try. And this is fairly straightforward. Okay, so write a script. Okay, which will actually get the process. Okay, get all the process and filter it. Okay, filter using where object. Okay, wherever the CPU utilization is greater than or equals to 80%. Okay, and
Okay.
then if that is the case, capture the time,
Mm-hmm.
and then uh, create just a simple email. There is something called send mail. Okay, send mail will be able to send mail, and for this there are a lot of things involved in this particular one single mail. Okay, if you are in an organization, everyone in an organization will not be able to use this mail. Okay, so
Okay.
this is something will send mail is the only command, and the send mail will work like this, like from, okay, whoever it is, okay, a@b.com hyphen to b at c.com. Okay, and body. Okay, and whatever the body, and then let's say attachment. Okay.
So Sajid, one question here. So
Yeah.
in your course, whatever we are learning right now, there will be any proper class for this send mail?
Yes, there is. Okay, so That's what I was about to say. So I'll just give you a picture now, a big picture, then you will be, I'll say how to proceed. Okay. Now there will be all these things are already in the course. Okay. So once you covered this, okay, I say, right, there are a lot of things involved in send mail. When you go through that course only, you know what is the SMTP server, what is the port, and what I mean by from, to, and body attachment, how to create this tech, I mean this from capture to this, all these things. Okay. So basically this is the process, but once you go through it, this is the only thing you will, I mean, currently immediately you can go ahead and do it. Okay. This is fairly simple. This something requires knowledge, and then you have to go through that and then try it. Okay. So that's all. So these are all the 4 steps, and this will be able to complete whatever you are planning to do. Okay. And
So
all
yeah,
these things are already in the course. Yes.
yeah. So Sanjit, so what I'm thinking, after finishing this send email class,
Mhm,
I will go for. I mean, I will inform you before
mhm.
going to one-to-one discussion. Okay.
Yeah, you can take it anytime. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah, and before that, I will be like, I mean, I will be using, I mean, collecting all the informations related to my system that is related to, I mean, we are using Azure Active Directory and all. So
Mhm.
from where we will be pulling the mail and all, email ID and all. So I will
Yeah,
be collecting all the data and will let you know. Okay.
absolutely, absolutely. So as of now, you got the, I mean, the logic, right? How things.
Yes, yes, exactly.
This is the one we are going to do. Yes. Once you have all the details, yes, that we will definitely do it. Yeah.
And yeah, one more thing, Sanjit, I have already, I mean, mentioned in the Facebook group, and you have already, I mean, sent me, I mean, like template to fulfill, I mean, I mean, just
Got it.
represent
Got
my
it.
question.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah.
So I will use that one. I'm actually, I was doing that one for my practice only. That is
Mhm.
related to Azure DevOps and project, and just wanted to fetch the details of users. Uh,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. So I was writing that one, but I was not able to do that. So for that one, I will be filling the template and update
Sure.
in the
Sure. Sure.
Facebook group
Yeah.
only.
That will be excellent. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Uh, okay. So, Ali.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hi. Yeah, Ali.
Hi, good evening.
Hi. Good
Just
evening.
some basics questions is that I'm not able to execute my script. When I wrote the notepad,
Mm-hmm.
so I saved it like .ps.
Mm-hmm.
Then also I went on
Did
folder
you save it
location.
at .ps1 or PS?
PS and PS1 also I did.
Okay, no need of PS, just PS1, and then make
Okay,
sure you are putting it in a double quotes. Okay, let's say
okay,
Ali's script. Okay,
okay,
if you don't put the double script, right, it will be,
okay.
let's say I open a notepad. Okay, uh, then I type get hyphen service. This is the script for an example. When I save this to my desktop, or let's say here, okay, WordPress, and I'm typing Alice example. Okay, dot ps1. Okay,
Okay.
sorry, dot ps1. And then when I save this, right, what will happen? I'm not putting double quotes here. So I saved it, and if I go here, right, this will be saved sometimes. Okay, will be as a double PowerShell script. Okay, if you are running less than different operating system, it will be saved as a .txt. Okay, there will be an additional extension will be added. Okay, I have something called Sapien installed in my computer. Okay, so that is actually taking care of it. Whatever the PS1, it will integrate it. But in your machine, it will be get saved as a ali dot, let's say, this is how it will be. Okay, it will
Okay.
save like this. Okay, so make sure you are putting in a double quotes. Okay, in my case scenario, I'm having something called PowerShell Studio. Okay, This is a
Mhm.
paid software. This will integrate it. Okay. So for an
Okay.
example, if we install Adobe PDF, right?
Yeah.
All the PDF will be integrated with Adobe, right? Similarly, that is what this is taking care of in my machine. Okay. So
Okay.
in,
Okay.
in your machine, you
Got
might
it.
not be. Okay.
And
So
one more thing, that PS1 compulsory or only PS is enough?
PS1 is compulsory.
Why it is one?
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, one is nothing but like .exe is always executable, right?
Yes,
So
.ps means it's a
it is
extension of
always
PowerShell.
just yeah, PS1 is actually extension. They started with PS1. Okay, there
Okay.
was no reason for that. Okay, just they started with the PS1. They didn't expect the PowerShell to grow this much. So just like an extension will never change for anything, right? For an
Okay.
example, one version, two version. I mean that. So the extension will be staying till version 1.0 till 8.1. Okay, everything
Okay.
will be .ps1 only. There will be
Okay.
other extension, let's say PowerShell M will be stands for module and all other things, but the
Okay.
scripts will always will be in PS1.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing is that what is meant by get scheduler task? I mean, what the task is scheduled, that thing we are going to get it.
Exactly. Get scheduled task, correct. Yes,
That and get the member means the pro which contains property and method.
exactly. Perfect, perfect. You started with that objects.
Yes, yes.
Good, good.
I'm doing the practice, and I collected all the questions and I asked. And one
Okay.
more thing, what is mean by cap C?
Cap C.
Yes.
What is cap C? Is this the
Mm,
spelling?
not that cap C. Hyper up some tab 6 place you will get. I think
Uh, say me again.
six. In my laptop it is six
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
option. That
yeah.
one.
Okay, in the sixth there is yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
upper cap is there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
What
what is
is
the,
that? Where did you see that? In what scenario? It's based on scenario actually.
yes, yes, in some scenario in your classes I saw.
Okay. For an example, I'm get hyphen event log. Okay, hyphen log name application. Okay, and here you see here
Yeah, that cap C.
this one, right? This is
Yes.
just a termination in this scenario. Okay,
Okay.
here
Terminate.
control, yeah, control, usually this stands for control. Okay, control, I'm pressing control C, I'm typing, let's say Ali. Okay, and then I'm pressing control C. This control will be actually shown as this symbol. Okay, and this
Okay.
is one scenario, and that is something not related to PowerShell, that is related to DOS command. Okay, so don't
Okay.
have to worry. Yeah, don't focus on these things. Focus
Okay.
on actual PowerShell. We will be able.
Okay. Okay. And what is mean by read host? What the main functionality? That means it will take the data and it will read.
Exactly. All these things will be in upcoming sessions. All whatever the
Okay.
questions you covered, right? Like what is the extension and
Yes. Yes.
the whatever I just said, right? That is something called escape character. Okay, and
Okay.
that is also covered. So well, complete all the other things and so go one by one, and then you will be able to catch up all those things. And for read host, we have what is read host and how to use it and how to get the inputs from the user. There are a lot of things we can use with read host. So you will be having a module for that. All right.
Okay. And one more question. I'm working on Azure.
Mm-hmm,
So I want to get the users
mm-hmm,
in one subscription,
mm-hmm.
particularly related to one resource group
Okay.
in Excel format,
Okay.
or multiple Excel group.
Uh,
Two or three resource group users I want to get
okay.
the data.
There is okay, this is a fairly straightforward command, I think. Okay, for Azure itself, right? There is to get the users from a particular subscription, and first you will be connecting to the subscription, right?
Yeah.
Connect to the subscription, okay, and then there will be a command, get hyphen ad user or whatever the command, and in that you will be actually whatever the RG you will be using, okay, group resource group you are using, right? From that particular resource group you will be able to do it. You don't have to write a script for it, okay? There is a inbuilt command for it. You just search for it, you will be able to find it, okay?
And I know in the same scenario, just
Mhm.
I want to get 2 or 3 resource group per users.
Okay, so this is how it'll be. Let's say you are gonna get for put all the resource. I mean, let's say first thing, okay, get all the resource groups, okay.
Okay.
There is a command for it, okay, and then take it and then actually store it in a variable, okay.
Hmm.
And since you have not completed it, okay, you might get confused, but don't worry, okay, just stick with the logic, okay. We are getting all the RG and then we are
Yes,
stating
we are
in a
storing in a
variable,
variable.
okay. Now
Yeah.
let's say we call that variable as dollar all resource group, okay.
Okay.
From all resource group, okay, take everything, pipette for each, okay. And this is the loop for you will be getting, okay. Within this loop, what all the things you will do, you will connect to, or you will be just you don't
Resource group.
yeah, you don't have to yeah, connect the resource group, okay, that particular resource group, whatever this for each in this all we will be taking one by one, connect it, and then get all the users, okay, from the users but that particular resource group, and then redirect, export, or just redirect using out dot
Oh,
txt or csv. All right,
okay.
so
To have, yeah.
that's all. So this will be go through one by one, all the RSG one by one, and then it will be putting everything in the out.csv. This out.csv is a CSV file. You can open it in a, let us say, in an Excel sheet. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this is how you will be approaching it. And
Okay.
for this, for all of them, there are, this is an Azure command. This is also an Azure command. All these are Azure except this. This is quite, I mean, normal redirection.
Okay. Okay. And one last question. Just I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, you need to be an administrator. Just give me a minute. I'll make you.
Otherwise, if you have a for each loop, yesterday's class.
You can share the screen. Sanjit, can you make Ali as
Okay.
you got this right, Ali?
Yes, exactly. I got it. Remaining session I have to listen, then only I will get. Just this out.csv, I think today the session is completed.
Your screen is not visible for me.
Share your screen, Alina.
Yeah,
It is
yeah, it is visible. Yeah.
okay. Here just we are all service. This we are taking one variable all services. Then we are storing the all services into get services into all services. So here all services for each object means for each object we are considering and writing the script. Up to here I am okay. And this one it is taking as a current directory, right?
Not directory, current
Uh,
object.
I don't want current object. I want to whole object means what can I do? I mean underscore dot it is a current object service.
And this is the current object. I mean, the
Yeah.
whole object. This is just dollar underscore will be the full object. You don't have to put dot. If you put dot service name from the object, it will be giving the just the service. If you want to print the complete object, just use a $_. That will print the complete object.
$_. That's it. No dot.
That's all. Yeah.
Okay, then okay, that's it, myself. And one more thing, here start services means these services are going to start.
Yeah, that only that particular service will start. Yes.
Okay, and write host means we are writing that WinRM service started. That's it.
Correct. Yeah.
One more. Yeah, I will ask you later. That's it.
Go ahead. You are about to ask. Go ahead.
One small doubt I got, transaction. So what is mean by transaction, and where we have to start, where we have to stop?
In which scenario did you see the
Get a
transaction?
transcript.
Oh, transcript. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Watch the video again. That is something already covered. I thought so that you will be understanding that. And if you still have that question, I'll.
Yeah, that's why I already watched that. So what is mean by transcript? Just we are going to start and stop the services.
Uh, it, have you watched it? The transcript, the
Yes.
complete.
Yes.
Okay. What did I say about transcript? What is transcript? Why we are starting the transcript? Did you watch the full video?
Yes, but
Okay.
I didn't get what is mean by transcript. So.
What are all the other things I said about the transcript? When I say when we are starting transcript, I said few things will be happening, right? What are all the things you've taken a note of it?
Okay, I'm not getting exactly. Okay, I will watch it, and if I have any doubt, I will ask.
Yeah, because whatever I'm going to say now, it's already there. So watch again and then you'll be able to. So basically, what I understand from all your questions, Ali, okay, I think you may have to watch at least 2 or 3 times all the videos, okay, so that all the points will be clearly will be able to communicate, and then you will be able see all the things whatever I just answered, right? I'm not saying anything wrong, anything different. I'm just
No,
saying
no.
for your learning pattern, I think it will be good to watch all the videos at least 1 or 2 times, and then try all the things 1 or 2 times. Okay, so that you will not miss any information whatever I'm saying, because it will be nearly 1 hour video, right? There will be a lot of information. And for an example, start transcript, right? I'll be saying what is start transcript, why we are using, what are all the use scenarios, all the things, right? So you might be when you are watching, you might be trying that command, and then you might be missing that part, right? So what that is what I understand. So try watch all the videos minimum 2 times, okay, so that you will be able to understand all the concepts, so that it will be help. I mean, again, for your perspective, it will be helping you. All right.
Okay, all right, got it. Thank you.
Awesome. Awesome. Thanks, Ali. You can stop sharing the screen, and so others, Parikshit, Ankur, any questions?
Hi, Satish. Nothing as of now. I'm just going through the videos.
Okay.
So,
Okay, awesome. Let me know if you have any question. Okay.
sure.
All right. So any other questions from anyone else? We covered Prince, Ali, okay, Ankur, he pinged no questions. Robert, okay. Robert, any other questions? That's all. All right, excellent. Okay, so okay, guys. So thanks for your time, and for Ali, that's very important. Okay, so make sure you are doing that, and then for Prince, we have this, right? So let's wait for that send mail. Once we have all those things, we'll start the project. Okay.
Sure, Sanjay. Thanks for the help.
Yes. Awesome. Thanks a lot. And if there is no other question, we will drop off. Thanks for everyone's time.
Yeah. Thanks, Ajit.
Yeah,
Have a nice
thank you.
day.
Yeah,
Yes,
bye.
guys. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.